What's up, guys? We're going to be working on the Navi again today. We're going to be putting on a mini USB outlet. I've seen actually another video on YouTube of somebody actually installing one of these, so that's pretty cool. But I'm going to be going ahead and installing one on mine. And then I got the Lamicall, the phone holder. It's on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put both of the links in the description of the video here. But so I mainly drive this thing to and from work, and I usually have a phone charger in my vehicle, but obviously I don't have that option on the Navi, so that's why I want to get one of these in. It's just nice to have that feeling of I can charge my phone if I want to, especially on my way home, because I don't get off work until late. So that is what we're going to be doing, and the phone holder is just going to be super nice for being able to switch my songs or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and install that and get this charger put on. So let's get to it. I really need to invest in a tripod or something, because I've just been using this thing and like wrapping my GoPro on it, and it's not it's not really that fun. So I think that's what I need to get next on good old Amazon. But let's get to the mini USB outlet. Actually, I'm going to be starting on the phone holder because that's easier, so we're going to go ahead and get that one done first. Pretty decent packaging here. Really decent because I can't even get it out of the packaging. There we go. Allergies are just killing this year. So bad. Went ahead and took a couple of those bands out of there. Do it. Did you?
Yeah. Are you a mosquito bite that?
No, not yet. Are you?
I am.
Well, you better go in then. I just had to take one of those little rubber bands off. Fit on the handlebar perfect, and a little lock button on the back here. That locks to keep the phone from opening up when you're driving if you hit a bump or whatever. So yeah, this is gonna be super nice to have. So let's go ahead and move on to the USB outlet. Alright, so apparently you're going to use some wire and just feed it through this hole up here, and then I'll get it back here, hook this wire on, and I'll fish it through. Well, that worked extremely easy. Didn't work so hot. Well, it didn't work like the movies, guys, but I got it. Now I'm just gonna hook these guys up to the battery. It's got like a little inline fuse here. Terrible. Just kidding. Okay, so now we'll plug this guy into the front. Right over here. I guess it should work, right? Let me go grab a cord and let's see if it does or not. Alright, there you go, guys. It's charging, so it's definitely working. And I'm not like an electrical guru or anything, but it shouldn't drain your battery if there's nothing plugged into it, so that was extremely easy to do. I think I'm just going to mount it here, the inside plastic here, then I can just run my cable right up to my phone, and then it should just be charging. So that is it. I'm just going to get a couple screws. Alright, guys, so that is it on the charger for the Navi. I got the phone holder on, like I said, the phone charger. Really happy with how that turned out. It was super inexpensive and extremely easy to do for that charger. I'll probably get something to cover the wiring just so you don't see red and black here. Almost tipped over my Navi here trying to turn the steering wheel so you guys can see it. But yeah, that's the plan, just to cover that up. I'll tidy it up a little bit inside, and I'll probably get like a zip tie or something for the charging cable here just so it's not dangling. Give myself enough room just for turning and stuff, and then kind of tuck everything away. But yeah, that is it. And I would say if you don't have this, This is like almost like a must-have accessory, I would think. If you're gonna be driving it anywhere, it's just nice to have an option to charge your phone. I guess you could bring like a charging pack or something, but I mean, if you have your phone mounted up, it's just really convenient to have that charger there on hand. I'll just throw this cord in my box. We'll always have it. And if the battery's dead, I guess I could always kickstart the old Navi up, so it should be good. But yeah, that's that, and I got a couple more things for the Navi to put on yet. I'm still waiting on a couple things, but that's what we got done to her so far. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Check out my other videos. If you guys are into the Navi or Grom stuff, go ahead and check those videos out. But that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.